Alright. Now we made it to White Plains. Now we're gonna go box the new Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Now we gotta hurry. Alright guys, I'm sorry. It's a bad day today because I just spent forever. Well, guess what? I'm gonna show you the new Nintendo Switch controller. This is a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. It costs, I'm not gonna say anything because I'm kind of a little scared. I want a hug! Well, Mrs. Sun, you're not welcome to see the controller. Leave. Alright then. You guys ready? Yay! No! You say Nintendo Switch! Alright then, yeah, Kitty. Thank you for the message for little kids. Yeah. Now, can you say Xbox? You say Xbox. And now say PlayStation. You say PlayStation. Alright then. Alright, today we're going to see the Nintendo Switch Elinor. Yay! Kind of similar to Xbox, Amazon Luna, and PlayStation. Kind of similar to the Wii U remote. Kind of similar to Xbox. That was the last one. I just went to the Best Buy in 5th Avenue, which is located next to Rockefeller Center. Let's see, Alexa. Alexa, when Amazon Luna was founded in? Sorry, I don't want Wonder Woman. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna skip. Alright then, I hope I don't get a copyright claim. It says Luna right here. Well, I don't have any Luna controller. Alright. Let's go unbox it. I'm gonna try to buy rated T games. Well, I'm 14. Oh. Sorry, demon cough. It's a little messy, so I'm going to blur it. I hope I don't get trademark. Alright, here we go. Let's unbox it. Let me check the battery. Alright, I only got 54. I'm going to do Lego Star Wars stream starting at 9:30. Here's the back. Here's the instructions also. It includes with the plug. We're only going to show you the controller later. Actually, I'm going to do it later at 10:30. I don't know if I don't have much time. Also, I really want the one with the pink and green or the blue and yellow controller, similar to the red and blue, but it was so expensive. It's $148. I'm going to try if we could buy one at the Freedom Tower or next week. I have a big question. Which is way better, Nintendo Switch or the Wii U? I didn't get the Wii U back when I was like a little one because I didn't know the words. I only say please and thank you when I was like little. Alright, here comes. It includes with the plug. Sorry about that, you cannot. So I forgot to clean, so I'm gonna keep it. I hope I don't get. There it is. And here's the controller. Gotta be careful because it's kind of expensive. Alright. Here it comes. It's stuck. Alright. Alright, here it is. I haven't used this in a long time due for the pandemic. Here's the Nintendo Switch controller. Kind of similar to the Xbox. Sorry about that, it's just a car horn. Alright guys, here's the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Comes with the home button, screen, take a picture. Gotta take off this. I don't know if this is sorry about that. A little choked. Due for a lot of running. I have tears. Here's the batteries. I'm going to do the controller only just because I don't have much time. I'm going to do part 2 in the morning. Kind of similar to Xbox. I haven't used these in a long time, of these Nintendo controllers. Well, here it is. You guys can see a flashing light, actually. I don't know. Well, I'm going to use the batteries tomorrow. Alright, guys, that's the Nintendo Switch controller. And have a great night. Well, I'm just going to play LEGO Star Wars The Complete Saga on my iPad later. Alright, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great night. And that's my Nintendo Switch controller. Peace.